and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our February 2021 Boxycharm Base box. So this is the PR box that they did send to me complimentary to review and unbox for you guys, give you guys my full opinions. My paid for box is actually on the way. I did receive an email a day or two ago, so that unboxing will be coming up very soon. As for my makeup and my outfit, giveaway information, all of that, we'll talk a little bit later in the video about that. But before we get into this month's unboxing, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I'm super excited, guys. I've got another video I'm going to be filming after this one, if it's not already up, talking about what our choices are already for our Boxycharm Base, Premium, and Luxe boxes for March. You guys are insane. So make sure to be looking for that video if it's not already up. If it is up, I will link it down below for you guys. But let's go ahead and jump on it. So this just arrived in the mail. My husband actually just strolled back in with it. I was in the middle of like editing and doing all kinds of stuff, and then I like stopped and sat down, and here we go. So a little information about the Boxycharm Base box. This is a monthly subscription. It is $25 a month, and you do get to customize one of the items in this box. There are specific days every day. There are specific times each month where you can jump into your account and make your choices. So because this was sent to me in PR, I did not choose what the choice item was. But again, you'll see what I customized in my box for my paid for. Okay, so every single month, Boxycharm does have a theme to this box. And this is the little card that you get in here, and it just says XOXO. Now they have changed the variations down here. So my variation is C21020006BA. As far as the weight of the box, I know a lot of you guys always ask me that. I'm gonna jump into my email right quick and see if by chance it did happen to tell me, because this one, it was sent separate. So it does look like the weight of this box is 1.1 pounds on FedEx. So this is FedEx information, not my mail scale. So this is the card, and jumping right in, the first item I see in here is actually one of the choice items, and this is the Wonder Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Funny enough, that's what I ended up choosing in my paid for box. I am going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys at least what it looks like, and I'll go ahead and swatch this one, and then my other one will be probably put in a giveaway or gifted or what have you. Okay, so a little information about this palette. It's in like your standard type of cardboard packaging. It does say Wonder Beauty on it, and it's called the Getaway Palette. And on the inside, this is gorgeous. Wow. This is actually prettier in person than what I expected on the website. So you guys know my love of Wonder Beauty. A little information about this palette. It does have a retail value of $36. It's your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid, which you guys know your girl absolutely loves, and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So let's go ahead. Oh, this feels beautiful. I think this is my favorite highlighter from Wonder Beauty. I keep it right here. It is! Yay! I absolutely love this highlighter, guys. It's called the After Hours highlighter, and it is absolutely beautiful. It does have more of like a champagne-y gold undertone, but I think it's going to work for a lot of people. Go ahead and let's swatch the Day Trip. I have an old swatch over here, so I'm gonna try not to. That's a beautiful blush. I don't know if my camera is like getting drowned out, but it is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. Oh my gosh, you know what, I'm gonna keep this one. This is beautiful. I'll just swatch them over here. These are so me. Like, these are just so my shades. Like, I just love that. I love that they feel creamy and easy, like, feel like they're gonna easily blend out. I mean, I'm actually really surprised by this palette, which I don't know why, because you guys know how much I obviously love Wonder Beauty. So that is the first item in here, and again, that was the choice item. The next item is by Glamir, and this is one that has just recently been a sneak peek. So getting right into this packaging, it's kind of like a jelly. If you guys remember like jelly sandals back in the day, that's what it kind of feels like. It's a snap closure, and on the inside we have 4 brushes with little hearts in here. Very similar to like the Natasha Denona Love palette from last year. How cute is that? I'm in love, and they feel amazing. Oh my gosh, these are precious. I'm like a broken record, guys, I know. But when it comes to brushes, subscription boxes are where it's at. I mean, this is a great way to build your brush collection. I love these. And aesthetically, like, how cute would these be? Just like, I'm gonna use them, but just sitting up on your desk or something. So cute. A little information about these, and I do believe Glamir is actually new to Boxycharm, so that's exciting. This is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. It does have a retail value of $29.95. It's glittery, enhancing, and fun. The set features 4 essential eye brushes, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles, make blending easy and flawless. Ooh, I really feel like this one is going to be great if you have like slightly hooded eyes. Like, love those. The next item I got, which I was really hopeful that I did get this item, and this is the NCLA treatment, the So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Look at how cute this is. It is so perfect for Valentine's Day. It just matches the brushes perfectly. Do you guys see the little hearts in there? This is so cute. I told you guys when I did a sneak peek spoiler, I was really hopeful for the cuticle oil. I love cuticle oil. We need cuticle oil. It just helps to like make your manicure look so polished. So a little information about the NCLA Beauty, the So Rich Love Potion. It does have a retail value of $18. It says you'll heart this limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. The cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower, seed oil, and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. Let's go ahead and apply some. You guys, it literally has like, hold on, can you see? Like little glitter and little hearts, glitter and hearts. I love it. Okay. I'm so sad I broke mine. I literally broke mine. That's okay. There's a little bit of oil on it. Oh, son of a gun. I guess that Peloton's really working over my muscles. I broke the little doohickey off, but that's okay because I've got other cuticle oil, and I'll just use that dropper. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like rose. I love that. I'm so sad I broke it, doggone. Okay, anyways, that's fine. We can still use the oil, not a big deal. Moving on to the next item in here. Now, I didn't know this was going to be in any of the boxes, but this is by Tristique. This is the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. So I have seen and received the mascara in the past. I still, for whatever reason, haven't gotten around to using it, but I hear a lot of really good things about this mascara. So a lot of you guys have told me that you're not like super uber fond of the mascara, no, eyelash curler on here, so if you just kind of taped it up, you don't bother using it. I've not tried the eyeliner before, so I definitely will. Let's open it up and swatch it. I just need to try this mascara because I've received it in so many other subscriptions that I've either put it in giveaways or I have it sitting in my backup as a try on. Okay, so this is what the eyeliner looks like. I like how it looks like a little pencil here. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna love that. It's black. I love to use black or a deep chocolate brown on my tight line to help make my lashes look thicker. So I do like that. I like the way it went on. It feels like it's going to be really comfortable, not do any type of tugging or anything. As far as this goes, let's just go ahead and open it up. So I will hurt myself if I attempt this. I don't ever curl my lashes, guys. That's a me problem or reason. As far as the mascara wand goes, okay, it's kind of like an hourglass shaped, not the brand Hourglass, but like the wand itself. So I don't know why I always smell, there's no reason to smell that, guys. So I'll just go ahead and leave that out and test it out for you guys. But just going based off of like the swatch that I did, it feels like it's going to be nice. A little information about this mascara and duo, eyeliner duo. It does have a retail value of $44. I really need to check this out. I need to try it out. It's an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibe mascara and is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil is formulated for sensitive eyes. It features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. I definitely would say that that is how it felt when I did the swatch over here. And the pencil glides on like a liquid but provides a pencil precision. So the nice thing about that is you can see how you can just kind of smudge it out as well. That's one thing that I do like to do with my liners is I'll apply it to my eye and then I smudge it out with my flat shader brush. So anyways, and then the last item in the box, which again was one that I was really hoping for, is by Tula. This is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Now I love Tula products and this has a retail value of $32. A little information, it says, got pores? Get this. Created with the powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. Could definitely use that. I have a really large pores in my T-zone area, so I'm never upset with receiving things like that. So let me go ahead and total all of this up for you guys and give you guys a retail value. Okay guys, so I'm back and everything came to a total of $159.95 in this box. Now keep in mind, this box is only going to cost you $25 plus tax, and I love everything. Meaning, if this is what I get in my paid for box because I chose the Wonder Beauty Getaway palette, I would be quite pleased with it. Especially like these, actually honestly, I hope this is what I get in my paid for box and I don't, you know, manhandle the flippin' cuticle oil like I did over there, but I would be really excited. And these brushes, flippin' adorable. They feel really nice. Like, I feel like I'm definitely gonna get a ton of use out of this one in particular. So I think for $25, I think this was a great box. You definitely get your money's worth in this box. As I always tell you guys, what I love about subscriptions is it's a great way to grow your makeup or skincare, hair care collection. This particular box I feel like was curated perfectly for me because it gave me, you know, a little bit of the little cuticle oil, but also some skincare, some makeup, some tools. Very happy with it overall, and I'm excited for everything that all around with Boxycharm. I feel like 2021 is definitely Boxycharm's year. Just some of the sneak peek spoilers that they have been showing us, some of the sneak peek spoilers they're showing us for the Boxy pop-up, which is coming February 8th, which is Monday. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic, matter of fact. Like, we're seeing brands like Glamnetic in there, Glow Recipe, like Fenty Beauty, like, yes. Speaking of February 8th, this is when you're going to jump into your account and make your choices for the base, the premium, and the luxe box, because March is the luxe box. The BoxyLuxe is a quarterly subscription, and you guys, they just went live and showed us what our choices are going to be, and at this point I'm legitimately overwhelmed. There's so many amazing choices. I am really hoping that everything ends up over in Boxy pop-up. So what you're gonna do when Boxycharm opens up to make your choices, if you wanna sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link in my description box as well as in the comment section. Just log right into your account, make your choices, and then it's gonna prompt you to shop. I am gonna warn you, it's gonna be amazing. And they don't keep it up only 24 hours anymore. They've extended it for like a week, sometimes 2 weeks, and at this point sometimes I just want to I just want to reach out to Joe and be like, can you please close it, because my bank account's freaking out. There's so many amazing deals, which is another way that for me, like I told you guys in my last video, if you don't want to sign up for the premium or the luxe box and you only want to stick with like the base box, you guys, that's fine. Because the nice thing about Boxy pop-up, or when Boxy does its add-ons, you can shop for those items that you're going to see or have seen and pass like premium and luxe boxes. So it's a great way that if you're like, no, I'm just sticking with $25 to spend on subscription boxes, that's fine, guys. You don't need to sign up for all the boxes at all. That's what I absolutely love about Boxy pop-up and add-ons, is because you can do all the shopping for all of those items. It's pretty awesome. I need to calm the flip down. Like, I had caffeine for the first time in like 3 days. Y'all, I'm still cracked out and it's like 5 o'clock in the evening. I know. I'm not going to sleep good tonight. Anyways, guys, if you are curious about my top is from Torrid. Matter of fact, I did do a whole try-on haul, Torrid haul, over on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. Definitely make sure to go over there, check out that entire haul. I got some amazing items. This is actually on sale now. I'll have it linked and listed down below for you guys. All of my makeup and everything I'll have listed below. My eyeshadow palette that I have on today, I went outside my comfort zone. I put a bunch of pinks and reds and berries on. This palette is actually from the Tribe Beauty box. I don't think that video is going to be up yet, but it will be coming very, very soon. As well as over on Instagram, the whole tutorial how I did this look and everything. If you look over here, I'm gonna have a QR code that's gonna pop up. It's gonna be pretty and pink. If you take your iPhone or smartphone and you take a picture of this QR code, y'all, it's gonna take you over to my Instagram. Make sure you are following me over on my Instagram, because there will be a giveaway going up very, very soon. Just FYI. And speaking of giveaways, I have a giveaway going on our channel right now. I have a beautiful pair of Ana Luisa Huggy earrings and a Shop Alter Ego or Alter Ego Blooms palette. So that giveaway will be linked down below for you guys. You do have to go over to that video in order to enter into the giveaway. The giveaway ends February 9th. So very important dates: February 8th, make your choices for Boxycharm. February 9th, make sure to get over to that video and enter into the giveaway. Anyways, guys, like I said, if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, whether it be the base, the premium, or the luxe box, check my description box down below in the comment section. You can go ahead and sign up. That is an affiliate link, so thank you all in advance if you do decide to sign up using it. If there's any coupons that are available, I will make sure to have those listed for you guys. I can't guarantee they're still live by the time you try and use them, but I do my best to look for some coupons for you guys that you can put in your checkout area on Boxycharm. So anyways, friends, check the QR code, follow me over on Instagram, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.